Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, I'm hungry, are you? Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is please give it a thumbs up, share the video, and please subscribe, okay? I'm looking for more subscribers. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make egg battered chicken nuggets with spicy french fries and plantains, all fried in the deep fryer. Okay, let's do it. Thank you for hanging around. Okay, so this is the deep fryer. I already have it on. The olive oil is getting hot in there. This is two chicken thighs cut up to the size of a chicken nugget. Let me show you that. Okay. So now I have 2 eggs and water, which is an egg wash, and all-purpose flour. So I'm going to dip the chicken into the egg wash, and then into the flour, and then into the deep fryer. Okay? This is the spicy french fries. I took out a handful. The bag was 2 pounds for $1.99, so you can see this is probably about, I'd say, 20 cents. Okay, these are the seasonings I'm using on everything. I put the seasoning in on the chicken, in the egg wash, and in the flour. Granulated onion, celery salt, garlic, and cayenne pepper. If you don't like spicy stuff, don't use the cayenne pepper, use black pepper. And sassoon. Okay? Okay, so we're going to get started. 1 second. Okay, let's do it. So I'm going to put the chicken in the egg wash. All of it. And I'm going to just saturate it with the egg wash. Like so. Now I'm going to put it into the flour. And the purpose of putting the chicken in the egg wash is to give a crispier taste. Okay, I'm going to actually do it a different way. I'm going to fry the french fries first. So I'm just going to drop them in. Okay. While they're cooking, I'm going to take the battered chicken out and continue to coat the chicken with the flour and egg wash. When you do this, you multiply the size of the chicken. And it fills you faster because you have the flour on it. Okay? Okay. The reason why I fried the french fries first, because you know the chicken has blood on it, so you don't want that blood onto the french fries and the plantains, right? So you're going to cook the chicken last. So I'm just battering the chicken, getting it ready. Okay, let me wash my hands. Okay. You can see how the chicken just doubled in size, right? Okay, just from putting the egg wash on it. Okay, I'll set this aside. I'm going to wash my hands one more time. Okay, so now I want to cut up the plantain. This is the plantain. I have 2 of them. I let it get ripe like this, so when it looks like it's rotten, it's really ripe and sweet. That's what we want. So I'm going to cut off each end. Okay, that's what it's looking like. I have 2 of them. So I'm just going to cut that in an angle. So when it comes out, it looks very long, like this. Rather than round, in a slant. Cut it in a slant. Okay, that's one. And here's my second one. And it looks like my French fries are ready. So I'm going to take them out. So this is our cut up plantains, 2 of them. You can see it yields a lot, right? So we are definitely cooking for 2 people. Alright, let me take the French fries out. See, that was very quick with the deep fryer. Less than 5 minutes. As soon as I finished cutting the plantains, the fries was ready, and I put them in right before I started cutting the plantains. So you can see how quick that was with this little deep fryer. By the way, I always like to give a plug. This is Fiberware. I paid, I believe, $19.99 at Walmart. It is great. I love it. It's a nice size. And it works. Okay, so this is the fried French fries. Now we're going to fry the fried plantains. I'm going to drop them in. Okay, they're in. Wash my hands. Okay, I'm going to put the French fries in a container so I can get ready to take out the plantain. Okay, I'm ready. Sit that there. Put that down for the plantains. Just moving the plantains around. Okay, I'm going to give that 5 minutes and I'll bring you right back. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes and it looks like the plantains are done. I'm going to take them out. So you see, it was on 5 minutes for the French fries, 5 minutes for the plantain. Okay, let me show you this. Fried plantains. So what I'm going for is the sweetness of the plantain, the potato taste of the French fries, and the chicken flavor. I think that's a great combination. Okay, now I'm going to put the battered chicken in. Chicken nuggets. They're going in. I'm putting them one at a time so that they're not stuck together. Okay, they're all in. Wash my hands. Okay, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is a good deed. A good deed. A good deed is something that, an action that's taken by a person to do good by someone else. It could be you're checking on a neighbor, you're going to the store, you're just going to see if you can help someone who may be bedridden and you might can fix them something to eat, clean the house, or maybe even a good deed would be helping someone out when they're moving. It could be a lot of things. The point is, a good deed is action taken by you in good faith to help someone else, because you know you are here on this earth to help one another. And so consider doing your good deed for the week or for the month, and the rewards are great. The rewards are you feel good about what you did, the other person feels good about what you did, and in the end, hopefully someone will help you when you need a good deed. That's the word of the day, a good deed. Okay, so we're going to let our chicken cook for about 5 minutes and I'll bring you back. Thank you. Okay, so our chicken has been cooking for about 5 minutes as well. So you see we're up on 15 minutes so far and it looks done. So I'm going to take a couple pieces out and I'm going to take my thermometer, and the temperature I'm looking for is 165. I'm going to put it through several pieces because they're small. Okay, we're at 167, we're done. I'm going to take the rest of them out. Okay, I'm going to cut it off. Okay, and plug that. Look at that, will you? Come on now, you can't beat that, right? This is enough for 2 people. 2 chicken thighs cut up. How about that? Okay, let me plate it up and show you. Okay. Look at this, guys. Another view. Oh my, my. How about that? That looks good, doesn't it? Okay, let me taste for you. I'm going to taste a French fry first. Nice and crispy. I'm going to taste a fried eggplant. Not eggplant, oh my goodness. Fried plantain. Fried plantain. Mmm. Crispy on the outside, soft in the inside, and sweet. Chicken nugget. Can't wait to bite into this. Mmm. You know, the chicken thigh is much more tender than the breast. I like it better because you have some flavor that goes with it. It's softer. Nice. That works for me, guys. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Why not do this? Have the chicken thigh already thawed out in the refrigerator, and just think about it. I only use 2. So if you buy a package and you have maybe 6 or 8 in a package, you can see how many meals you can make, right? And this is enough for 2 people. So have the chicken thighs thawed out. Have your bag of frozen French fries already in the freezer. You can just get out a handful. And the plantains was 2 for $1. So let's add this up. Okay, it was 8 thighs in the package. And so I used 2. So what was that? That was about what? $1? Maybe, no, $1 would be $5. Wait, I can't think. Let me go get my calculator. This is awful. I can't think. 1 second. Okay, so I have my calculator. 8 thighs at $5 for the package divided by 8 is 62 cents times 2. $1.25 for the chicken, 2 chicken thighs. About 20 cents for the French fries, so we're up at $1.45. And 2 plantains was 2 for $1, so that's another $1. $3.45, under $4, you have a meal for 2. You can't beat that. Okay, alright, until next time, much love. Thumbs up, please. Subscribe and comment. I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye-bye.